Ngayon ay pag-aaralan natin ang gamit ng parang at mukhang. The use of parang and mukhang. Ano nga ba ang parang at mukhang? What is parang and mukhang? Parang and mukhang can be used to express similarity or the possibility of an event. Example, parang nag-aalala siya. He seems worried. And it can also be, mukhang nag-aalala siya. And the message is still the same. He seems worried. Parang uulan. It looks like it's going to rain. Or it can also be, mukhang uulan. And the message will still be the same. Parang maagang matatapos ang programa. It looks like the program will end early. And we can also use mukhang. Mukhang maagang matatapos ang programa. And the sentence will mean the same. It looks like the program will end early. Now, can you make sentences using parang and mukhang? I already provided words that you can use in your sentence.
Inaantok. May sakit. Pagod. You may pause this video and write your sentences on your notebook or on any paper available.
Alright, can we check your work now? We can say, parang inaantok ang bata. Or, mukhang inaantok ang bata. Inaantok means sleepy. Let's now use the word may sakit. Parang may sakit ang bata. Or, mukhang may sakit ang bata. We can also use the word pagod, tired. Parang pagod ang bata. Or, mukhang pagod ang bata.
You may also use other nouns aside from bata. This can include names like si John, si Ken, or the pronoun siya. Parang inaantok si John. Mukhang may sakit si Ken. Parang pagod siya.
Now, let's go to the next picture. Aalis and pupunta sa palengke.
Aalis. Pupunta sa palengke.
Let's now share our sentences. My first sentence is, parang aalis si nanay. Or, mukhang aalis si nanay. Now, for the phrase, pupunta sa palengke, we can say, parang pupunta sa palengke si nanay. Or, mukhang pupunta sa palengke si nanay. Now, can you do this? Parang nag-iisip si ate. Mukhang nag-iisip si ate. Or if you use other name, that's also fine. Parang nag-iisip si Ana. Mukhang nag-iisip si Layla. And for the last picture? Nagbibilang. Parang nagbibilang si kuya. Mukhang nagbibilang si kuya.
Don't forget to express similarity in Filipino. Use parang or mukhang, which are similar to looks like or seems like in English.
You may now start answering your worksheet. Maraming salamat! Mahusay ka! Paalam!